Now this is a non-stick vessel I have kept. I'll add into this pan, I'll add 3-4 teaspoons of oil. Add about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let it splutter. Now it has started spluttering. I will add half teaspoon of methi seeds, and if you want you can add, this is optional, a few jeera seeds, and then add lots of urad dal. Because I am adding lots of green chilies, so I'll just add 2 red chilies to this. Add a few cashew nuts or peanuts as per your liking. Add few curry leaves. I'll mix it. Then I'll add garlic, finely chopped garlic. Ginger, lots of ginger tastes very good in this. And as I said, lots of green chilies. It's as per your taste and liking. And onion also you can skip. In fact, there is no compulsion that you have to add onion. Now let all these vegetables saute a little bit. Now ये सारी चीज़ें ब्राउन हो चुकी हैं. I have around half kg of curd here. Instead of adding salt to this, I'll just add salt to this and mix it. And I'll keep it aside. Meanwhile, I have red rice, cooked red rice with me. I'll add this. And I'll switch off the gas. Now the rice is mixed thoroughly. I'll just add the beaten curd to it and leave it to cool. Once it is cooled, only then I'll mix it thoroughly. So now I have mixed this curd thoroughly, and now I'll serve this red rice, made out of red rice, this red curd rice. Here it is, simple plain curd rice served with your favorite achar. Do share and subscribe to Gluten Free India for more such recipes. Thank you.